Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your App Store and complete the initial setup. It's crucial to secure your wallet by creating a strong password and carefully backing up your recovery phrase. Remember, Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, distinct from the Coinbase exchange, giving you full control over your assets. Once your wallet is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can easily transfer existing cryptocurrency from your Coinbase exchange account directly to your wallet. Alternatively, you might use a decentralized exchange within the app to swap one type of crypto for another. For new purchases, you can often buy crypto directly using a debit card or by linking your bank account. To make a purchase, open your Coinbase wallet and navigate to the Buy or Swap section. Here, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. Enter the amount you wish to spend, review all transaction details, including any network fees, and then confirm your purchase. Always double-check everything before finalizing the transaction. Security is paramount when managing your crypto. Always double-check recipient addresses before sending any funds to prevent irreversible losses. Enabling two-factor authentication adds a vital layer of protection to your wallet. Remember to keep your recovery phrase safe and never share it with anyone. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.